Think that you can't make money from Instagram without making any posts? Well, stick around, fam. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey everybody, Deanna Sylvester. Today, I want to teach you how you can earn $1,000 a month on Instagram. But here's the crazy thing. It doesn't require you to be posting every day on your feed. It doesn't require you to have a huge following, and it doesn't require you to have a big brand. It don't even require you to run advertising on Instagram's platform. But what I'm going to teach you is so simple that you might even be a bit skeptical that it could work. But the truth is, unlike other Instagram methods that just put comments and links all over the place, you're going to be leading now with value and helpful content for the people. We're going to go over all that shortly. But first, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My goal here is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner, not advanced. And I'm talking to my new people. Because whenever somebody asks me what's my favorite way to make money online, there's plenty of them. But I always go back to affiliate marketing. And why? Is because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own product, your own service, your own course. You just promote somebody else's program that you believe in, that works, and you collect a commission every time somebody make a sale. So to me, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what a person's level of experience is. So that's why I created this channel. I wanted to release new strategies and just give them away absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like button so you'll know when a new strategy drops. In fact, I'm giving a very fortunate person a free 3-day, 2-night vacation just for qualifying to enter my drawing. In order to qualify, I need you to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when the drawing is. And, you can watch it live. We'll keep it fair. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of why we here. Vacation is cool, but what's up with that IG bag, right? But I'm a marketer. I'm a marketer, introduce people to the internet from a perspective that they haven't glanced at it from yet. So now I need you to see the vision through my eyes. Have you ever collected email addresses from your IG followers? 99% of the people haven't, and that's okay until after today. But what if I told you can earn $1 a month off of every name on your email list? Would you look to see how many names you had? Do you even have a list? I mean, outside of Yahoo and Gmail, if the money is in the list, we gotta get you one of them, right? And when it comes to IG, you gotta be a promoter, not like Don King. That's a lot of people on IG with hundreds and thousands of followers, right? They got no idea how to monetize them in the way that I'm about to show you, but there's a twist. You get paid off of their promotion. But let's go over what you be promoting to. I mean, the program that I'm recommending you use is a program called ClickFunnels. Now, a lot of people, you heard about it, but they ain't learned about it like you're about to. ClickFunnels, it allows you to quickly and easily build a sales funnel that generates leads and sales. It's not like a website that got all those pages and buttons and require all that coding and the knowledge to make it look right. A sales funnel is a streamlined approach to getting people onto your email list and encouraging them to purchase something. Now, in case you're wondering how popular ClickFunnels is, if you take a simple search online, just go to Google and you'll see it's hundreds of people that's making 4, 5, 6 figures a month promoting this software. Maybe not 6 figures, but at least 5. But you're wondering, why do so many people sign up and purchase ClickFunnels month after month after month? The reason is every single business without exception relies on a sales funnel to sell or promote their products. It does not matter if you're selling shoes, weight loss supplements, personal coaching, or generate leads for a plumber. Every business needs a way to generate leads, generate appointments and make sales if they want to succeed online. All I'm doing is simply coming in, I'm showing them what I believe to be the best sales funnel software in the world. So now you know what to promote. Why to promote it? The last question is where. What are the fastest ways to find a new online business that hasn't quite figured out their sales funnel process? Is Instagram. Woo, there's so many entrepreneurs on Instagram in the health space, stock market, Forex, pet space, You name it. I mean, they doing a great job on Instagram, but they have no idea how to turn all their attention and their followers into leads and sales. Here's what I need you to do. Step one, search hashtags that's related to the niche that you're going after. Maybe you're going after somebody in the fitness space or bodybuilding. I don't know. Step two, after you do that, find somebody who getting a modest amount of attention on a page, but they link in their bio, just take them to a website. Or worse, they don't even have a link in their bio at all. Number three, you're going to ask them if they'd be interested in turning all of their likes and followers into leads and sales for their business, and that you'd be willing to help them out for free. Now, a few things can happen. Number one, they could ignore you, which is cool. Two, they could say no. Three, they could respond that they're interested in hearing more. If they're interested, all you need to do is use one of those ClickFunnels templates, build a simple landing page for them, use their name, use their pictures from Instagram, and remember, ClickFunnels doesn't require no coding. They make it super simple. I mean, then you share the funnel with them, and if they want to continue using it, they sign up for a ClickFunnels account, and you get the commissions. Pretty cool, right? Now, technically, you didn't sell them anything. I mean, you simply told them about a good way to improve their business, gave them a free sample, and you let ClickFunnels do the rest. Now, if you're familiar with affiliate marketing and ClickFunnels, that probably make a lot of sense to you. You're ready to try that out, and I hope that you do. But if you just getting started and you might be a little lost, you might be thinking, all right, Dion, how do I actually make these pages go? You know what I'm saying? What niche or what market is the best for me to get in to make money online fast? I get it. What other ways are there besides Instagram to make money from affiliate marketing? Now, if you found yourself asking those questions, I want you to do yourself a favor. Check out the link below in my description. See, me personally, I recently partnered with a full stack digital business that allowed me to literally copy and paste a $50 million digital empire and use it as my own, even though I didn't have nothing to sell. And if you click the link in the description, you'll see how you can do the same thing. You get the products to promote, you get the funnels to use, you get the emails to send, you get the ads to run, you get everything. That way, if you are a complete beginner like I was, or maybe you tried out other methods, but they haven't worked, I mean, you're going to get everything you need to start making money online. So check it out in the link in my description below. And don't forget to qualify for the 3-day, 2-night vacation. Do 4 things: like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification so you'll know when we do the drawing for the vacation. And you'll also be notified when I release my next training. See y'all soon.